Okay, gonna do a little video on this table that I found in the woods. First I was just gonna steal the legs off it and then make a new top out of like plywood for like a camp table if I ever get a camp built. Anyway, but I ended up fixing the thing up. It's not great or anything, but it's usable, and I just used a bunch of random junk that I had around here. I put some carriage bolts down through it and bolted some wood to it. I screwed the legs too. You'll see in a minute why, but it sort of reminds me of, like, I don't know, 1970s or something. It's got the like the hard, whatever the hell this stuff's called, the tabletop kind of crap, and then there's the edging is actually the like aluminum, which is kind of, you don't see that like most of the stuff when they have like the pressed paper crap board, and then it's got like just a plastic stuff around the edge, so it's fairly old, I think. So you can see it's actually plywood construction, so it's halfway decent. It had a bit of a kind of soft area here, but so anyway, so I just drilled some holes, bolted a piece of pallet wood to it, and then screwed the legs back on. They're a little bit rusty, but they're still lots of metal in them. This one here is actually made out of like PVC or something, so, but it was one of those random things sitting in the woods where it was like people just dumped their trash in the woods. It's been sitting there for quite a while. As you can see, it was kind of mushy. I think I'll let it dry out and then I'll pine tar it or something. But first I was gonna change the top, but then I was like, oh well, for a camp table it would be fine. Something you have outside you can eat on, or set your Coleman stove on, or whatever. It just cost me a couple bolts and the screws to fix it, so yeah. Pretty fancy. So, anyway, thanks for watching.